Keep doing it.
Hi.
Hi.
Now you're gonna see the snake and it's gonna lick her.
Okay, let's do it. You're gonna do it real slow. And then she loves it. Do it again.
Today we're gonna see the snake or snaker. Because it licks her.
It does lick her.
Because then she bites it. Her tongue. Today we're gonna lick the snake.
Are you gonna have the snake give her a kiss? Or
The
a lick?
snake's gonna lick her
Okay,
her
do it.
tongue.
Let's do it.
The snake is gonna be the ratty doo and it's gonna lick her tongue.
Weird. Oh, Lorelei's getting sleepy.
She's really tired, but I was surprised her with this.
Oh. Hurry, snake, do it. Come on, grape snake.
Today we're gonna do the snake or snaker. It's gonna lick her tongue.
Okay.
It's gonna lick her tongue.
Let's
okay?
go, grape snake.
And today we're gonna see the grape snake. It's gonna lick her tongue.
Okay, let's see it.
Okay.
Do it real slow. She gets excited.
Today we're gonna see the snake or snaker, grape snake. It's gonna lick our tongue.
You're weird.
Today we're gonna lick this.
Let's do it.
Well, the
Ready,
snake's gonna.
set. No, not me.
Snake, grape snake.
Whoa, where's he going?
He's going to me. So let go.
Hi, Lorelei. Can you wave and say hi?
Today, Lorelai's gonna see the snake or snaker. It's gonna lick her tongue.
Okay, do it, snaker, snaker. Come on, grape snake, go get her. Oh, not me too.
Today we're gonna do
Okay.
the grape snake or snake.
Okay, that's enough. Say bye, Lorelei. Can you wave and say bye? Okay, that's good. Say bye, Savannah.
Bye.
Oh,
Brushing
don't
your
brush in her
hair.
hair. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Good job.